AutoWisk AI now works on mobile phones, bringing full bulk image generation capabilities to your smartphone. I've already covered the desktop workflow in a previous tutorial. Check the pinned comment if you need that. Today, I'm showing you the complete mobile setup, installing AutoWisk AI as a browser extension and generating bulk images for your YouTube videos, social media content, or any project you're working on. First, go to the Play Store on your Android phone and search for Queta browser. Click Install to download the app. Once it's fully installed, you'll see the Open button. This means the app is ready to use. Tap Open to launch the app, then click Continue to proceed. Queta browser works just like Chrome, but unlike Chrome on mobile, browsers like Queta and Yandex support Chrome extensions. That's the key difference. Chrome doesn't allow extensions on mobile phones, but Queta does. Once Queta browser is fully open, you'll see the main interface. Here's what to do. Click the three dots menu in the top corner, select the extensions icon, tap Install Extensions, search for AutoWhisk in the search bar, click Install. When the installation prompt appears, click OK to continue. Once it's fully installed, the button will change to Remove. This confirms AutoWhisk is now installed as an extension. Now, go back to the browser homepage. Click the three dots menu again, select the extensions icon, and you'll see AutoWhisk AI listed among your extensions. Tap on it to launch the extension. Allow it to open fully. Once it loads, you'll see the AutoWhisk AI interface. First, change the language to your preferred option. I'll select English. To start generating images, select your preferred version. For this demo, I'm going with the classic version. Tap on it to open. Once it opens, hit Go to Whisk and sign up using your Google account if you are new, or sign in if you already have an account. Once you are inside Whisk AI, tap the three dot menu and switch it to desktop version. As you can see, the interface is now displaying the desktop version. From here, you can generate images or upload reference characters for consistent image generation. If you don't have a reference image yet, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to generate consistent characters using just prompts. Now, click the three dot menu again, hit the extensions icon, and click on AutoWhisk to open it. Select the classic version. This is the interface where you'll input your prompts. I already have visual prompts prepared for my story, so I'll paste them into the prompt list box. Scroll down and click Start, then select Run on this project to begin generating the images. Hold on while it generates. AutoWhisk isn't just generating the images, it's also downloading them straight to your mobile phone. Important, don't touch or close this page. Just leave it open until the generation process is complete. The images are fully generated. As you can see, everything is done. Now, click the slider line to minimize the AutoWhisk interface. Now we're back to the Whisk AI screen. As you can see, I got consistent characters even without using a reference image. Pretty amazing, right? Now, go to your mobile gallery. You'll find all your images there, ready to use. Bring all your images together with CapCut or any editing app of your choice to assemble your full video content. Here's the trick to getting consistent characters using only prompts. I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 image prompts for my story and told it to keep the character descriptions in brackets in each prompt. ChatGPT generated the prompts, but as you can see, only the first prompt had the full character description. The rest didn't include it. Sometimes AI can be lazy like that. So I went further and asked ChatGPT to convert it into a batch list to generate the images at once using AutoWhisk. ChatGPT converted the 10 image prompt into a batch-ready list for AutoWhisk, but again, only the first prompt had the full character description. Before pasting the prompt into AutoWhisk, I copied all the prompts and pasted them into a document. Then, I manually pasted the full character description into each remaining prompt where that character appears. If you don't do this step, you'll likely get inconsistent images. This small effort makes a huge difference in maintaining character consistency throughout your story. And there you have it. You can now generate bulk images for your videos using just your mobile phone. No laptop or desktop required. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like and let me know in the comments what content you are creating with AutoWhisk. Subscribe to Learn with Emnet for more mobile-friendly AI tutorials. Now, go create something amazing.